Hello, welcome to Get Ready with me. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I'm an Avon Beauty Boss, and we are going to get ready. Of course, a cough comes on as soon as I go live. I hope that you're all having a great day. We're getting ready for Thanksgiving here in Texas, and it's like 75 degrees outside. So I hope you're all having a great day, and this isn't my makeup for the day. So I want to show you something. I'm kind of hiding it a little bit. I have something exciting to show you. Are y'all ready? Check out that hair. Girlfriend got a dye job. Yes. Yes, I went dark. Yes, I did. So we're going to see how the makeup looks with the darker color hair. So in the comment section, let me know if, let's see, there's more mask options here. Oh, now that one's cute. Maybe we use that one. Maybe we don't. That's okay. In the comment section, let me know what you are doing for Thanksgiving. What is your plans? So I've already gone in and done my skincare regimen, and I have brushed my teeth. Yay. I'm going to do my primer now, which I'm using our new ink lasting primer, which is great for minimizing pores, minimizing oil, and setting your makeup for like 8 to 10 hours. Yes, this girl, hardworking mama, needs my makeup to be set. So ink lasting, it is awesome, awesome, awesome. I have a special offer for you guys. For anyone that orders from my website this week through our Black Friday special, which is on your avon.com/jwoolsey. The code is Avon Black. Ooh, isn't that cool? Anybody that orders through there through Sunday, your name is going to go into an entry to win the Time to Shine palette. So I'm going to post this also on the page, but this is the 3 palettes that has all the eyeshadows, and somebody is going to be a winner and going to get this mailed out to them. Of course, I can't hold it. So be sure and go to your avon.com/jwoolsey. Take advantage of that cool Avon Black code. I think it's, okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started while I'm talking. I'm going to use my Avon Magix wand for my concealer because I didn't sleep much last night. For those of you that don't know, I have 2 boys that are my whole world. I have Caden, who is 17, and Lucas, who is 12, and he's about to be 13 in a few days. Oh, they grow up so fast. And so they are my whole world. They are the reason that I work so hard in my business. And we're going to use ink lasting cushion. And Caden has been having some seizures and having some rough nights. So I've been sleeping with him and checking on him a lot through the night. So those bags are there, probably permanently. Okay, so we're going to pat this foundation in. So share with me, you guys, what are you doing for Thanksgiving? Do you have family coming in? Are you going somewhere? Are you going to just cooking at your house? Thankfully, that is not my lot in life, because if I had to cook all the things, we would be in great trouble. My husband is an amazing cook, and he will do some dishes that we will take with us to first his family Thanksgiving, and then we will go to my family Thanksgiving. So, and I have family coming in. My little sister and her family are coming in from Colorado. We're so excited to see them and get some time with them. Okay. Woo, girl, you're rocking it today. So I am using the shade Natural Light. It's in 20. It's a neutral. Goes great with a lot of skin tones. And the greatest thing about this ink lasting is that it does something. It matches your color of your skin. It'll color match. Also got the brows done yesterday. Yes, girl. Yes. Okay, here we go. We are going to just fill in these brows a little bit. There we go. Let's do the other side. The coolest part, or one of the cooler parts about this little compact is it has a really great mirror in it. And I love a compact that no matter where I am, I can still put my makeup on because I have a cool mirror to do it. So then you're just going to brush it out. Okay. So what I was saying about the free gift is I'm cleaning that mirror because it's dirty. So when you're shopping on youravon.com/jwoolsey for all of these great products that you see me use every morning, between now and Sunday, then you're going to get an entry to win the Time to Shine bundle, which is awesome. And on that special deals, there is the code Avon Black, which with an order of $20 or more, you're going to get free shipping. And with orders of $45 or more, you're going to get free shipping plus 20% off. Hello, that's a deal. And then orders of $65 or more, you're going to get free shipping, 20% off, and a free gift. Hello, that's awesome. And then you get an entry to win a free gift from me. So I love giving away free gifts. So share this video so that you can help all your friends get an entry. Okay, so that was some translucent loose powder. Just kind of mattifies that look. It also helps blend some of that under eye concealer. You can see that I have a brush hair on my nose. And there we go. It just helps to blend and mattify your look. I'm not a huge fan of I like a matte look on my face, so that's why I tend to go with that. Okay, so since I'm giving away the Time to Shine palette, we're going to use the Positive Vibes Only thing for the eyeshadow today. We're going to pick up this lighter color here. Tap, tap, tap. We have new palettes coming too. I'm so excited in the new year. You guys are going to go nuts. How much eyeshadow can one girl have? That is a question I've heard. All the eyeshadow. You need all the eyeshadow. All the colors. So, okay, now we're going to go in with, I'm going to do this lighter shade here. And work that crease. I want you guys to be able to see kind of what I'm doing. I'm going to try something a little bit different today. I've been watching some makeup tutorials while I've been hanging out with my son on the couch because he doesn't feel good and that's what he wants to do. So I used this one. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this darker color. And I'm just going to do the bottom and kind of blend it just a little bit. Can you tell a difference? It just really darkens that look just a little bit. Okay. It's not super bold, but it's still bold. We have a doctor's appointment today, so I'm going to be going out in public. Some days I just do my makeup for you guys because I want to. So if you're just logging on, if you place an order between now and Sunday on youravon.com/jwoolsey, you're going to get an entry to win the Time to Shine palette. I have an extra one, and I'm going to be mailing it out to somebody, some lucky winner. So do not delay. Get on. Take advantage of all those great deals. Okay, we're going to use Super Extend Liquid Liner. Okay, y'all ready? We're going to do a little bit of a bolder look. I haven't practiced this, so it went on okay. It's all right. Here we go. I'm just bringing it up a little bit, making that line a little bit bolder. Yes, that is my son whining. I'm not really sure why he's whining. That's okay. All right, we're going to go underneath. Okay, now this is cool. I'm going to take an eyeliner brush, this one right here, and I'm going to pick up that lighter shade of eyeshadow that I used on the top part, and I'm going to smudge it out just a little bit. So I'm just going to do this, and I have to use a mirror to do this, guys. And what it's just going to do is it's going to smudge it and not make it look just so much like a line. There we go. Love it. Love it. Okay. It makes it not look so much like a hard line whenever you're doing that. I love it. Okay, what do you guys think? Give me some input. Share. I'm not seeing comments, so if you're putting comments, I'm not seeing them for some reason. Okay, I'm going to also pick up that lighter shade, tap, 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 and I'm going to go in the inside of my eyes, because when I'm super tired, I tend to have darkerness on the insides of my eyes, so I'm going to highlight it a little bit that way. Yay! All right, so let's use the Future is Bright highlighter and blush. So I'm going to pick up just a little bit. I'm going to make those cheeks appear thinner. What do you think? Are they thinner? I don't know that you could do anything to make them go away. They're just there. That's just life. I like ham and turkey and dressing and all the things. Now I'm going back with my powder brush and I'm blending that. And macaroni and cheese and chocolate pie and all the things. I'm getting excited about Thanksgiving. Can you tell? I love all the things. So now I'm going to pick up those two blush colors. I'm going to go on the cheekbone. You know what we forgot to do on the eyes, girls? We forgot mascara. That is an important thing. Very important thing. That's okay, because we can go back and pick it up. So excited. Okay, here we go. We are going to curl the lashes with our magic curler. There's really nothing magic about it. It's just pretty. It's bedazzled. It's the only thing magic about it. I seen online the other day where you can get heated eyelash curlers. I was like, that looks interesting. Love mascara because it has heart-shaped fibers that attach to our lashes, and it makes them longer and bolder and pop with an explosion of love as it's hugging your lashes. Somebody's messaging me. See? That difference in that liner and that little bit of difference in the eyeshadow is amazing. Okay, I'm going to be truth talk. I got some lashes in and I tried them. And I'm going to tell you something. I looked like a drag queen. Not my typical mommy look. It works for some. Not for this girl. It did not work. So I ordered some smaller ones. To try. And as soon as I get those in, we'll try them. I think they'll be better. The first ones I used were so long, I couldn't wear my glasses, which is kind of important to be able to see. So I was like, yeah, that's not going to work. I'm going to go in and fix something because I'm just noticing. Oh, hello, people. You just went for a ride on the tripod. Oh, is it Thanksgiving yet? Here we go. Okay, I noticed it was kind of splotchy in that spot. Okay, here we go. We're going to finish off with this light in here is so good today because it's later in the day. I'm going to do this highlighter so I can show you guys how this works. This is our cushion highlighter. We're going to go a little bit on the nose, on the Cupid's bow. You can see how it gives just a little bit of shimmer on your face. And it makes you glow, baby. Everybody wants to glow, right? You know, in a world where life can be tough, and it is a lot, and things can just sometimes not quite go our way, it's okay to glow a little bit. So we're going to use the ink tattoo in Renegade Ruby. What do you think? We have a full look for this morning. I'm so glad that you watched me. Get ready. I hope that you learned some tips that can help you in your morning makeup routine. What do you think about that color? I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm feeling bold. I'm feeling beautiful. Whatever it takes to help you have a great day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video, share this video, give me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought, what was most helpful, and I hope that you all have an amazing Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.